As you can see, what looks like a tiny invisible crack in the enamel can actually lead to big pain. When hot, cold, or sweet senses hit the tooth, they seep through this microscopic crack, reaching the sensitive dentin tubules. This stimulates the nerve inside, which sends an intense pain signal directly to the brain. As you can see, what looks like a tiny invisible crack in the enamel can actually lead to big pain. When hot, cold, or sweet senses hit the tooth, they seep through this microscopic crack, reaching the sensitive dentin tubules. This stimulates the nerve inside, which sends an intense pain signal directly to the brain. The pain you're feeling isn't just from a hole. It's from bacteria that have invaded the inner nerve of your tooth. The most intense tooth pain begins when bacteria reach the pulps, where the tooth living nerve is located. When actually if film and calls, lotger chiber, when pressures inside a rigid jerv the rigid camberg. Tooth sensitivity is a common condition, and as you can see, it's all about what happens beneath the surface. When enamel wears away, hot, cold, or sweet stimuls travel directly to the nerve. This triggers the sharp, sudden pain you feel. But the good news is, we can treat it. That sharp pain you feel when you bite down, it's your tooth sending a warning. Pressure, pry open, infiltrate the opening. The crack visibly propagates deeper into the dental matrix. The dental nerve sending in flames. Tooth pain is often a warning sign, but it doesn't always originate from the tooth itself. In fact, the culprit can be a silent but serious infection of the gums. As you can, bacteria build up, causing inflammation. The toxins then attack the ligament and the bone itself, ultimately leading to nerve irritation and persistent pain. The good news is, with early intervention, we can stop this process and save your smile. If left untreated, a cavity can allow bacteria to reach the root canal. As you can see, they multiply rapidly, forming an abscess that builds pressure, compress the nerves, and sends intense pain signals to the brain. The tricky thing with wisdom tooth is they can cause severe pain, even when there's no cavity visible. Let me show you why. As you can see, this impacted tooth is pushing on the adjacent malar and compressing the surrounding nerves. This is how the pain signal is sent to the brain, causing that intense chronic pain. Many people are unaware they grind their teeth in their sleep, a condition called brissus. Over time, this forces away the enamel. This creates microscopic fractures, exposing the sensitive dental tubules beneath. Pressure builds inside the nerve. These bright red pain signals race to the brain, causing chronic sensitivity. And if left untreated, brissus can permanently damage your teeth. This root canal procedure is removing the infected tissue that's causing your unbearable pain, but we're doing it without removing the tooth itself. You can see here, we eliminate the bacteria, disinfect the canals, and seal them. This permanently relieves the pain and saves your natural tooth. This is how we stop tooth pain. By removing the XRay and sealing the cavity with advanced deposit resins, we protect the dental nerve from bacteria, restoring your tooth's strength and function. Preventing tooth pain is much easier than treating it. With flossing, and we go grossing, salats, help day mineral hygiene, regular checkups. Traditional treatments might mask the pain, but modern dentist targets the source. Watch. Reflame to calms and heals. We eliminate the infection, heal the pulp, and restore the tooth to its natural strength. No more pain. Your teeth have an amazing natural ability to heal themselves. Let me show you how. Saliva washes away harmful acids. Calcium and minerals rebuild your enamel. Fluorine then integrates to make it even stronger, and your dental nerve stays tight and healthy. With brushing, flossing, fluorine toothpaste, and regular checkups, you can support this natural process for a lifetime of strong, healthy smiles. Every day, the choices you make determine the future of your smile. It's a simple choice between pain and confidence. See how sugar and acid attack your teeth? But with proper care, you can protect and strengthen them for life. Your regular dental checkup is your best defense to prevent severe tooth pain before it ever begins. Redihu int hali issue, intraroller. So, don't wait. Visit your dentist every 6 months. Your smile's health is a journey, and understanding it is the first step. It starts with a healthy buildup, leads to acid attack. Before you know it, a cavity forms. If left treated, the decay reaches the dentin, exposing the nerves, leading to inflammation and healing pains. And with proper care, your tooth can be completely restored, pain-free and healthy for life. So don't wait. Early diagnosis is key. The secret to a lifetime of pain-free think. It's about building strong defenses and healthy habits. Fluoride is your first line of defense and strengthening your twice daily brushing removes plaque, the main cause of decay. Don't deflance. It cleans the spaces your brush can't. Your saliva natural catch your checkups. Supply your teeth with the minerals they need to stay strong. And regular care today means a lifetime of pain-free smiles. Tooth pain isn't inevitable. With early treatment, proper oral hygiene, and regular checkups, we can stop decay before it starts and restore your tooth to its full, healthy strength.